Hello to my new video. In this video I will show you how I am unboxing my newly bought Kärcher Puzzi 8 spray extraction cleaner for deep cleaning. I bought this for myself for cleaning sofa, rugs, car and so on. So yeah, let's get to the point and open it. Okay, so here. And voila, we are open. Let's put this knife aside. Okay, so here we have the nozzle, or how would you call it? I don't know, but you get the point. You can see. Hope you see. Just a second. Yeah. Something like this. Sorry for my English. Okay, so that's one. I mean, not the nozzle, but that was the tube. You got that. Okay, so here is, see, nozzle. Oh, a bit lower. Okay. Bag. Here are the manuals. We'll be reading that probably a bit later, as I'm also planning to test this cleaner today. Packaging. And voila, here it is. So yeah, that's basically all. I will also create probably a part 2 when I will test it and we'll see how well does it clean. So thank you for watching and have a great day.